GR Plumbing and Router is your go-to sewer contractor and local plumber for many jobs including trenchless sewer repair, hydrojetting and epoxy lining. We are committed to providing excellent workmanship and high-quality products to every project we undertake.
Here's what one of our customers has to say about us.
Adelmo Owens says, "We needed plumbing service for sewer pipe replacement. GR Plumbing arrived timely. They were very professional, thorough and answered all the questions we had. Very clean work and ensured that everything was working great and that we were satisfied. Would definitely hire them again for future projects. We take pride in listening and performing our customers' plumbing needs. All service technicians are fully qualified and trained to repair your problems. Call us for any plumbing needs."